Good morning, adventurers. It's 9:30 AM on the 29th of August 2025. I've come back to Silksworth. I was hoping to get on the bedroom swim up there, the next swim along, but unfortunately somebody's already on it. So I'm going to have to fish under the tree the same as I did yesterday. But just needs a slightly longer cast to where I want to be, right in the middle over there. Hopefully they aren't casting too far across so I won't catch the lines. I know this is a decent enough swim. It's just Mark was here yesterday, my friend, and he had a 7 or 8 carp and tench from the bedroom swim up there. Unfortunately I can't get on. If they move off, I'll maybe move along there a bit later, we'll see. It's a nice day. It's currently 18 degrees. The wind's from the south, and that's almost behind me, so it's nice and calm. So I'm looking forward to catching a few fishies, and hopefully my net won't fall apart today. Forgot to tell you what I was using. On the right hand rod with the indicator, I've got a popped up dog biscuit on a hair rig, and on the feeder rod I'm fishing Fajuka squeezable pellets in the feeder, and Fajuka sinker pellets, and I'll also try worm to see if that works out as well, because worm definitely attracts the tench rather than the carp, and I would like to get a couple of nice tench today if that's possible, because I love tench, me. First cast on the feeder. I'm into something. It's not very big, but it's definitely a fish. Oh, now it's starting to pull. Oh, it's a bit bigger than I thought it was. Probably a pasty carp. Probably. Going under the tree, which is what I expected it to do. Oh no, he's scrapping now, alright. Come on, buddy. Ah, he's proper scrapping now, like. Yep, it's a carp. It's a bit better size than normal. Oh, yes, son. Where are you? Where are you? Under the bushes. That's it. One cast. One fish. That's a nice size. Let's have a look. Where's my feeder and everything? There's my feeder. Where's my hook? Where's my hook out? Oh, my hook's out. Well, that's a nice deep fish to start the day. 2.5 pounder thereabouts. Lovely. Well, I just weighed that fish out of interest because they're so deep bodied. I would have put them at 2.5 pound, but it was actually 3.1 pound, which I'm quite surprised at, but quite pleased with. Jolly good. Well, fourth cast, something's on. It's not fighting very much. No idea what it is. Oh my god. A little roach. Can I believe it, can you? I'm getting plenty of little knocks. Oh well, different species. They're back.
Mr. Rat.
Well, this is very strange. I've never had a bite since 10 o'clock and it's now 1 o'clock. It's just absolutely died to death. I think the lads on the bedroom swim down there have had a couple. They're chucking out towards that far island. But I'm getting nothing here at all. I've tried worm, pellets, dog biscuits, frankfurter. I've tried everything. Cannot buy a bite at the minute, so I'm just hoping this is a midday lull, which started at 10 o'clock, which is a bit early for midday. But you never know. The weather's changing, it's getting a bit duller, that might help. We'll see. Jammy Mark's come down and he's got one on. A nice little pasty.
What? Like pasty, mate?
Yeah. Lovely jubbly.
How about gone?
Gizzard, so my camera's got something to look at.
Hang on, kid.
Pretty. Not as deep as the normal one.
Nah, it's a
Bit skinnier.
alright, isn't it?
Aye, aye. Better than blanking.
Oh, he's off.
He's off.
Bastard.
Oh. Mark was into a nice fish there and it just came off on the top. Burger.
Bastard.
Mark's in again.
Oh, he's off.
Oh, every time I come near you, you hook one and it comes off.
Oh, he's fucking up again.
Twice. Oh dear. We'll edit the swear words out. Mark's in again. Let's see if we can actually get this one in, eh?
That sounds a charm, kid.
Take your time. Feel decent?
Aye, something. Yeah, he's up there, too.
Oh, he's miles out, isn't he? The sun's shining, the birds are singing, and the carp are biting. What could be better? Because up till now, Mark's only famous for losing two.
Oh,
Oh no, you got one on video. Where he be? Got to take a seat, it's worn them right out. That's a nicer one. Is that in your net? Oh, I thought you had another fish in your net, it's a crisp packet. Dear me.
no, no.
Oh. Let us see it.
Let's have a look at him.
That's a chunkier one, isn't it?
He's done look himself.
Yeah.
No, he hasn't. We're toe settings.
No.
Toe settings, kid. I'll get that out, yeah. He's gone.
Nice chunky fish, that.
He said, calm down. Right. Let's have a look at him.
As they stick a thumb in his mouth, but it probably hasn't got a big enough mouth. That's lovely. Woo, what do you say to that?
Cheese.
Lovely stuff. Good. Right. Ah, it's come off. Oh, no look. Bloody hell. Huh? Jammy Mark's in again. I don't know what I'm doing wrong and what he's doing right. We're both fishing exactly the same method. Same bait. Same pellet, same size hook. The only difference is he's in the sunshine, I'm not. They certainly seem to be coming on the feed a bit more, don't they? It's only a tiddler. Tiddler, that one.
This net, I didn't like this net.
No, the hook gets stuck in it easy enough.
It's a bit. Nice, turn out. Yeah, girl. Oh, girl, whatever you are.
It's just a little one.
Little tiddler.
Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, does it?
Very nice. Lovely
Well,
jubbly.
tap that.
Smashing.
A little pasty.
Pasty.
Greg's pasty.
Cornish pasty. Good. Mark's got another on. Whoa, there's a way. Whoa. Huh? Where's it? Alright. I'll film and net at the same time. Oh, he did a bit of a rudder there, didn't he?
He didn't have a clue there, did he?
No. Looked like he was just leading us in like a little dog.
Oh well, Lawrence, we'll get this one in.
Whoop, it's gone round the corner.
Come on out. Right, you know. Aye. Biggie.
Oh, it's a bit. Aye, better one. Whoop. Can't do this without falling in.
Oh, we're going, man.
Oh, he's a nicer one. Definitely.
Oh, big lad away.
Take it easy. Get his head up. Is he foul hooked? I don't know whether he's wrapped round the line or foul hooked. Oh, no. It's gone too far in. It's gone the wrong direction. He's in. He's in. It's filming and netting at the same time.
Mate, you're doing perfect, like, thank you.
That's a bit better size, isn't it?
That's deals, mate, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's nicer.
A nice bunch there as well. And I've got a shell wrapped round.
He looks bigger in the water. Ah, he is, hooking the fin. Oh, doesn't count hooking the fin.
Oh, right, mate. Yeah. Right, there is it. Sorry, mate.
Well hooked.
There you go. I think I'm big at it, yeah.
Nice and fat.
We'll get the fucking scales out.
Up to you.
Alright, nice.
Lovely, that's very nice. Huh? We're just saying we're fishing the same baits within yards of each other, with the same gear, the same hook, the same pellet. Mark's getting bites and I'm not. Really weird. Very strange. This one took a right old run. This is going to be the Mark show of the night. Oh, yeah, bugger, it's off. Oh, that makes up for the one you foul hooked. At last, I've got one on. And it feels like it's staying on. Not very big though. I'm seeing that, it's just woke up. Big swirly boils off it. Oh, get away out of there. Get out of there. Yeah. Oh, it's a nice tench. Aye.
Yes, what else? A lovely one there.
Yeah.
Right on camera, son.
Lovely. A nice meal, I think. The hook doesn't want to come out. Oh, son. That's it. That's a nice, a bonny little tench. About £1. Look at that eye. Look at the colour of that eye. Beautiful. Oh, I'm pleased with that. If I catch nothing else, I'm happy with that. Let him go. Well guys, the evening's closing in and I'm on one last cast. We all know what happens in my last casts. Be a miracle if I get one today, like, because I've hardly caught anything all day. One tench, one carp and one roach. Terrible day. Mark, on the other hand, has had 3 and lost 2 or 3 as well. I've missed a few bites. I've had pellets out on the carp rod all day and never had a touch on them. Very strange day. They seem to come and go, the fish. But it's still been a nice day. I think I'll be back tomorrow, and if I can't get in the bedroom swim, which is that one over there, I'm going to fish across by the stairs where those lads are there, because it's a bit deeper there. But thanks for watching for now, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye for now. Good morning, adventurers. It's 11 AM on the 30th of August 2025. I've come back to Silksworth just for a few hours before the football starts. I was going to fish the bedroom swim, but the wind's right in my face up there, so I'm not. So I've come to the peg where Mark got his fish yesterday, fishing to the left of the island about there. Fishing just one rod, Swimfeeder, Fajuka pellets and 6mm Fajuka sinkers. So wish me luck. Second day, it's got to be better than yesterday. God, yesterday was hard. But see how we'll get on today. Well, all's quiet on the western front up now. I've had 4 casts and I've had 4 bites. And I've missed them all, so I've just gone down to a slightly smaller hook. Believe it or not, I'm using a bobbin on the rod for bite indication as well as the indicator. The first bite hit it so hard, it smashed against the rod and snapped it in half. How I missed the bite, I don't know. And it's the only one I've got with us, so I've had to fix it with an elastic band. But it'll do the job for today. I've got a few more at home, I think. It's a lovely day. It's quite windy, but I'm quite sheltered here. Leighton reckons I should be fishing the shallows further up there. So next time I come, I'm going to fish that peg to the left of me, or maybe over there, depending which way the wind's blowing. But I refuse to blank. It's not going to happen. This is a really weird lake. Did exactly the same yesterday. It went off at about 11:30 and came back on at 3. It's now 2:30. So another half an hour the fish should start biting. Because since 11:30 I've never had a touch. And I'm not going to go home on a blank, no matter what happens. You're about to see the jammiest man in Sunderland. That's a nice fish, that, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Aye. That'll be five pounders, I would think.
Alright.
Yeah. This is where Leighton said I should be fishing today. And it looks like he was right, because I can't buy a bait up there. Yee. Mark's only been here 10 minutes. It's the second one he's had.
About 4 past.
Yeah. Fishing exactly the same method with the same bait as I am. It's just not fair. Lovely. Well, 4:30, time to go home to watch the football. I've blanked. I've never known it so dead for the last 3 or 4 hours. Yet Mark's been down at the other swim for an hour and had 5 straight away. So I'm going to come back early in the morning before the people are around and fish the shallows. So I'll see you then. Bye for now. Good morning again, adventurers. It's 6:30 AM on the 31st of August 2025. I will not be beaten by this lake. I've found that fishing in the afternoon doesn't pay off. So I've come very early morning. First light, sun's not even up yet, and I'm going to fish the shallows at the very top end of the lake over towards that island there where Mark was yesterday, because I've been told that that's where the fish hang out, in very shallow water. So we're going to see if we can beat this lake and work out exactly where the fish hang out early in the morning. Just here for about 4 or 5 hours. Bit of sunshine. It's only 13 degrees at the minute, but it's going to warm up a bit, hopefully, so wish me luck. Second cast of the day. in the shallows and I'm into a nice fish. Or it feels like a nice fish anyway. Some big swirls. Does feel like a nice fish. Well. I'm on pretty light line, so that's why I've got the drag set. The rod was nearly away there. I know. Well, definitely a decent fish. Don't go around there. Right. No, I'm looking at that big box then sticking out the water. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's not finished yet. Yay! Yay! Blank's off.
Good.
Lovely. Right, look at the depth of that.
Alright,
More like a very, oh, sorry, more like a crucian. Lovely. One just hooked. Certainly put a scrap up. Look at the depth of that. Probably only over £4 or something. Lovely. Right, mate, I'll let you back in. Well, that's a good start. Even though I nearly lost my rod. Not much depth that I can go here, is there? Turn around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. I'll really get you out of the net. Turn around. No, you're going the wrong way. That's it. Here's a way. It's only 6 inches deep here. Mark couldn't help himself, so he's joined me. And he's got one on, as per usual. It's scrapping. We're waiting for the sunshine to come out so it warms the water up a bit. We're both fishing out towards that island out there. He's giving you a scrap, isn't he? Oh, there he is. He's running. The drag on your reel's really quiet, isn't it? Big boils. They don't half give you a scrap in here, mind, for their size. They really do. The blank's off for both of us. Jolly good. What do you say to that, Mark?
Another pasty.
Another pasty. Ah, it's a big pasty though.
Ah, it's a decent to the end.
Yeah. The fish in here are so deep, we're just saying, like, compared to other places. You know, they're they're like crucians, but they're not crucians. Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
That's alright. Jammy Mark's in again. Another large Cornish pasty.
Cornish, right.
Oh, it might be corned beef, this one, right?
Knees is gone already.
Oh, you get all excited, you, don't you? He gets the adrenaline shakes. The adrenaline shakes. Is he going to go over my line? Oh, I'll keep my line up out the way. Where is he? Oh, there he is. It's a mirror. Oh, I'm thinking it's hitting me line. I just had a bloody bite and I never struck.
Sorry, mate.
It's alright. I thought I had my rod held up high. Fully scaled mirror. Lovely. Beautiful. Look at Mark's legs shaking there. Aye. He gets that excited. That's another nice deep fish, isn't it? Just a quick look before you put it back. Oop. Nearly fell it.
Oh, it's not. We're out.
Is it out?
Yeah, we're out.
Look at that.
Right on, mate.
The depth of that compared to its length. Beautiful. Bloody Mark's in again. We're only fishing 10 yards apart.
Sorry about that, mate.
It's alright, I'll keep my rod up because he went under my line there. He's a splashy one. No, common, isn't it? Look, he's in the net. It's on a pink one, isn't it?
Pink one.
Alright. Bonnie. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. 3-1. Bloody hell.
Right.
I'm into number 2. Mark's at 5.
All right.
So I was driving. But it's just pop up car book and fishing.
Yeah.
It's not like this is just a normal pond to me, but that's the spot up. But we've got about 9 foot in the lake there.
Aye.
It's spot in massive.
Good scrapper.
I can't even fucking drive though.
Whoa. Whoa, yeah, bugger, he's a lively one, isn't he?
That couldn't it?
Great, you know.
Well, I'm back on there.
That's it, mate.
Did you read it?
It's a lovely ghost. Is that the first ghost you've had?
Ever? Aye.
Definitely a ghost, that.
Aye.
Without a doubt. Beautiful, that. Lovely fish. He's way up the left then, eh? Oh, he's a lively one. Just drop the net in, I'll bring the fish to you. Where is he? No. No, I'll bring the net closer and he's going to go under your net. He's under your net. Lift your net out. Just put the net in, I'll bring the fish to you. That's better. That was an orange one. Yeah, I've got sticking on that. Sticking on the mat.
There you go, mate.
Lovely jubbly. There's a nice little comment.
Nice
Oh, just there. He's lost me orange pellet. I'll use that again. Bonny, fat little fish. Aren't you gorgeous? Lovely. Thank you very much.
No bother, mate.
Jolly good. Back to fight again. Oh, he's a lively one, that one.
Aye, feisty, wasn't
Aye, certainly was. gone. Lovely. Now this is Mark. Mark is very jammy. He's into a shoal of fish further down here. He's lost a couple. If you've ever seen anybody getting thrown into Silksworth Lake, now's the time. Could give him a quick push and he'd be in there. I think this is his 7th fish. 6th or 7th? 7th, I think. I think it's a little in, isn't it? It's not fighting much. Not yet, anyway. It's just a little one. It's a corned beef pasty, that one. Still, it's another fish. I've just missed one fishing out towards the island here. Whoop, he's in the net. Yeah, Mark's fishing away down towards that big green island down there. And he seems to be on a bit of a shoal because he's getting a bite every cast. I'm fishing towards this island over here. I'm getting the odd pull, but not very much. So I'm getting well beat again by that man Mark. Mark's into another, and it's giving him a right old scrap here. It's on the surface. It's certainly pulling, isn't it? This wind's doing our head in. Proper gusty wind, and it's cold as well. The way it bent his rod over when he hooked it looked like a good fish. Certainly a scrapper. Here she comes, that's a mirror. Mirrors seem to fight harder than commons sometimes. Nice.
There's the heebie-jeebies again, mate.
You get the old shaky knees. I'm shaking videoing this, but it's not because I'm excited, it's because I'm bloody cold. Have a look at that. You don't get a lot of mirrors, do you?
Don't.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I swim.
It's a bunny fish, isn't it? Beautiful, that. Lovely jubbly. Mark's into his umpteenth. He's doing very well fishing down that way. And we've decided that it's because he's got a very, very fine quiver tip on his rod, and I haven't. I'm fishing with a waggler rod, and we think that's maybe the reason I'm not detecting the bites that he is. So I need to get myself a new rod.
Here, mate. Come here, go.
It's not off giving you a scrap, that one, isn't it? You seen him yet?
I am pretty afraid of it, alright.
He's trying to get into them reeds, isn't he? Is he out? Huh? Yeah. Yep. No, don't think. I shall film and net at the same time. Oops. Oops, it is. It's alright. Just find me rod in the water. Where's he at? The drag's too loose.
It's not there.
It's just
He's got
You know.
loads of energy. He's still pumping like
doesn't look like you're getting anywhere with it.
pumping.
It's obviously a decent-ish fish. There he is. I've got him past the weeds now. That looks like a... That's a better... Oh, it's a better fish, bit of a ghost. It's a ghosty. Oh, that's a ghosty, that. Ghosts always fight better than normal fish, you know. That's a ghosty, that.
Hey.
Definitely. See by the way his scales are all netted.
Sorry, mate.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, definitely a ghosty, that. Well hooked.
Beautifully hooked.
Perfect.
He was fucking brilliant, like.
He wasn't getting out, was he? Wait till you get the hook out. That's a lovely ghost. Is that the first ghost you've had?
Ever? Aye.
Definitely a ghost, that.
Aye.
Without a doubt. Beautiful, that. Lovely fish. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's me three sessions, 3 pegs over. Had a few fish, not as many as Mark like. Mark's had a cracking time. But we worked out the reasons why, I think. So we'll see you next time, wherever that may be. I hope you've enjoyed this video, for all it might have gone on a little bit and not that many fish. But probably back down here, I would imagine, in the next few days. Just hope this wind goes off a bit and it stays nice and warm. So I'll say bye bye for now. Say bye bye, Mark.
Cheerio.
That's us both done for today. See you later.